Welcome to ATP Customs. Today we're going to have some fun and show you how awesome Dick Cepek Extreme Country tires are by hauling a 10,000 pound trailer along with my Dodge, which weighs about 7,800 pounds plus the 1,500 pounds of accessories and humans in it, up a skidder trail to the top of a lot. And you will actually hear the tires at the maximum point of traction, just about losing it on the top of the hill. So we are currently running Dick Cepek Extreme Country 315 7017s on my factory wheels. I have my truck tuned down to about 420 horse so that we aren't losing traction and tearing them off up the hill. So that is a 39-foot trailer that's 10,000 pounds with gear in it. And we are going to the top of this hill. So let's get after it. Now, I only use these tires for work. I do not take my truck off-roading. It is strictly work related, and I absolutely love these tires. I would get 10 more sets of them. I use them to travel between BC and Alberta, hauled tons of vehicles with them, hauled my 24-foot enclosed. They are just amazing in all weather conditions. I highly recommend them, and I will be buying lots of sets of these for most of my vehicles. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.